Our Marshall, we're back with Blue, so I gotta tell you, he's doing great. Anyway, so what we want to do, I want you to think of pushing or pulling him with the pager. So I'm going to pull him to get him up. Blue. I'm pulling him around that turn right there, and I'm going to push him for the down. Down. Good. And over on that hip. Good. I don't know when this dog gets tired though, Marshall. We're going to have to take him out somewhere, and I do want you to try to maybe bring him for the daycare even once a week. You could just drop him off so he can run around. Because let me tell you what, this thing's got some energy. Blue. And Muffin is the new distraction. Down. Muffin is my new dog. Down. Good. Pushing him with the pager right there. I'm going to pull him to get him up. And the thing about this is, it's going to be the same thing later when the leash isn't there. Even though, remember, I did start him with the off leash yesterday. Blue. Anyway, thank God there's no one working here today. That was so stressful yesterday. Down. Can't get anything done. Down. Good. Just added a little leash pressure right there. Good. Muffin's a pretty good catch. Blue. I always say don't micro-correct, but I did micro-correct right there because you're going to have to with this dog. Down, as you recall, you good. You couldn't walk a straight line with him. But, you can use the pager to gain finesse and refinement, which is what you need to do. Blue? I really didn't correct him for that because, normally you shouldn't be throwing treats at other dogs. Bring this hand bent. Heel.